Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, and I truly feel like Sundays are slowly becoming my favorite days of the week because I'm starting to really make Sundays be my just reset day, and I've been loving it. So I'm in a pretty good mood today. I'm sorry if the lighting is bad, but we're on the walk right now. Our morning walk. It's late morning though. It's about almost 12 to be honest. But I had a really good journal session last night. Like, I honestly think I was writing for an hour. And I loved every minute of it. But when I went to sleep, I just felt so much peace and clarity come over me, because that's honestly what journaling does. If you let it will bring you so much peace, so much clarity. And I honestly had another good girl. Can you please come on? Come on. Come on. Sorry, y'all. My dog is super, like, reactive. And I'm trying to get her out of that. Like, any little thing that comes up on the walk, she's like, ooh, what's that? What? Where? Who? Anyways, but what I was saying was, I had another good journal session this morning, and that's like my non-negotiable though. I don't always journal at night, but I always journal in the morning. So, yeah. Today's agenda, I want to watch church in a bit, in about an hour. It comes on, and I want to plan my week out, because I feel like that is slowly and quietly becoming another one of my non-negotiables. Come on, Riley. Definitely becoming another one of my non-negotiables. Planning my week out before the week starts, and not just waking up hoping for the best. And then something else I have been wanting to add into my Sundays is a weekly skin check-in. So just checking in on my skin, seeing what I can do, how it's doing, how it's feeling, the whole thing. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm actually doing, because I'm gonna be using a page or two out of my blueprint to show you guys. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing some cleaning, reset my mind, reset my body. Might throw in a workout, because I have been slacking, you guys. Slacking so bad. So yeah, let's get into this Sunday. Be right back. Hey, you guys. So, one thing I've really been trying to make sure I do every week is plan. And not wake up every day just trying to figure everything out. So, I prioritized 3 things this week, and that is my business, life, which is me preparing for my move, and money, which is the moving fund. So, with my business, I'm just working on a few things, like going through all of these freaking notebooks that I have that have so many notes from school, so many notes from just master classes that I took. It's just a lot, y'all. I want to clean up my Notion. I want to brainstorm my next digital product and really just capture the ideas that I'm feeling without feeling like I need to build the product yet, if that makes sense. But yeah, y'all. For my life, when I say life, I really just mean the things that I'm going through personally, like getting ready to move. So I have to call the dermatology office and officially withdraw from that position. I have to start packing my room. I have to literally start packing, pack the things that I'm not actually using right now. And then really just continue to mentally and emotionally prepare for this next chapter, y'all. But another thing is the money aspect. So I've been door dashing and doing Spark, and this week my goal is to make at least $200. So I just plan on tracking that and making sure I'm staying on top of my goals and not, just winging it. That's why I'm writing everything out now, because y'all, we got to stay on track, for real. Okay, that's all. Okay, y'all. So one thing I've been wanting to add to my Sunday weekly planning sessions is adding in my weekly skin check-in. So I'm gonna just walk you guys through what I'm doing. I have it pulled up here, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to somehow put it on the screen, or I might just show you guys from like a POV way. I don't know yet, but hold on. Okay, you guys, so I have my journal pulled up for you guys, and here I'm on the page that is where I'm just writing down my routine out. So my morning ritual, I go in with my Circadia lipid replacing gel. So I'm kind of just figuring out how I'm gonna write it on this part, but yes, it's the Circadia lipid replacing gel, cleansing gel. I actually think I'm gonna go grab the products here in a second. So yeah, because I'm like, I do not know how to spell this. Look, and then I'm just about to try to look it up, but then I'm like, you know what, let me just go grab it. So yeah, there's my cleanser, there's my toner, the hyaluronic serum, my other cleanser that I use for nighttime by Glymed Plus, my little baby moisturizer, and my sunscreen. And I believe I have my eye cream as well, or gel, if you will. So yeah, I'm gonna write in the treat section. It's the Cream Skin Mist by Laneige, which I love down. So I go in with that first, then I go in with my hyaluronic acid serum by Good Molecules. Then I go ahead and go in with the Oxygen Cream by Glymed Plus. Y'all, this moisturizer is like one of my absolute favorites. But anyways, then I go in with my sunscreen, which is the Hydrating Protection Gel from Glymed as well. That's SPF 50, by the way. And yeah, so then I'm gonna write my eye cream down as well, because I do that in the morning and not at nighttime. And it's just I don't know how to say it, but it's from Good Molecules, and I actually do that before I do my moisturizer. So yeah. Then for my night routine, I go in with Glymed Plus, the Idyllic Cleanser with 3% mandelic acid. Love this cleanser down. It's so good. I've been seeing great results from it. My skin is like glowing. I go in with some more of my Cream Skin Mist. And then I go in with Oxygen Cream again for the nighttime. Y'all, this moisturizer, it's like a bottle of orange juice. That's what it smells like. Anyways, so now we're on to the actual weekly skin check-in. And here I'm literally just checking off that I did my morning ritual every day this week and every evening. And yeah, I just wrote, yay me. And yeah, so It's just 3 simple questions here. How did my skin feel this week? What changes did I notice? And I might have to change that actually, because that literally says the same thing. What changes did I notice and what am I noticing? That's the same thing. Oh my gosh. Anyways, but for the sake of the video, I just said like my skin felt great this week. I didn't break out or experience any flare up. I've been experiencing an eczema flare up from on my neck area ever since I did use the Magic Shine to get the hair off of my chin area. I noticed that my eczema was starting to flare up. So yeah, I'm just writing in that I noticed that the eczema on my neck area did not flare up this week. So I was really happy about that. I didn't experience any breakouts on my chin or cheek area. And I think that was so good because I changed my sheets, so that's probably why. So yes, I'm definitely gonna have to go in on my journal and change that because I don't know what I was thinking. I wrote basically the same question. But anyways, yeah, I know for the what did I notice, I can't use harsh products on my neck area due to the flare up that I was having. Like, it was so bad. It was really red, really itchy. So yeah, sorry you guys, I was getting a call. Doesn't even make sense. So anyways, I decided to go in on one of the last pages for my product shelf and just write in all of the products that I'm currently using so I can actually keep track of them. So my Circadian Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel and my Glymed Plus Idyllic Cleanser. Yes, so I'm just writing in that. Then I'm gonna go in and write my treatments that I'm currently using: the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum, as well as the Laneige Cream Skin. So, yep, we're going to go in and write in our moisturizer, the Glymed Plus Oxygen Cream, as well as our SPF, the Glymed Plus Hydrating Protection Gel, SPF 30, not 50. And I love this SPF because it's so lightweight and it has a really nice smell to it, like a tropical scent almost. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna write in my eye care, which is I think it's Yerba Matte Wake Up Gel. I have no idea how to say that, but I love it. It's really good. I've been using it for a while now, and I was experiencing like dark circles on my eyes, and I've been getting a lot of compliments like my eyes look brighter and I look more awake. So yeah. Oh yeah, and then my lip care, I use the e.l.f. lip gloss. It's the Glow Revive oil or something, and then I love the Edam lip gloss as well, but I need to re-up on that actually. So yeah, you guys, that is all I'm gonna do with my weekly check-in on this video. Okay, y'all, so please don't mind the clothes and the clutter in the back. We're literally about to clean that after this, so don't mind me, mind your business, okay? But I just wanted to come on here and say how, hold on, anyways, I just wanted to come on and say how that skincare check-in is like literally one of my favorite parts of the blueprint. I think one of the biggest reasons we get overwhelmed with skincare is because we're constantly trying to find something new to buy or something new to add to our routine. But before we can figure out what products we need to figure out what's actually going on with our skin. That's genuinely what I wanted this blueprint to help with. It's not just a list of products. I wanted it to feel more like a guide that helps you understand your skin and literally make better decisions for yourself. So, if you've been struggling with your skin and you feel like you've been constantly buying new things and hoping that it'll work out, I'll leave the link down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, y'all. Let's get into this cleaning because as you can see, it's a mess. Okay. Okay, you guys, I think I'm officially calling it quits for the day, because I'm exhausted and I didn't get to do my workout. I didn't get to do my wind down with you guys, but that's okay. I honestly think this was a good reminder that I don't have to force myself to finish every single thing that is on my to-do list. You know, like, just because I planned it doesn't mean that it has to get done, or I'm just gonna beat myself up for the rest of the day. Like, no. I feel like the whole point of this Sunday reset was for me to check in with myself, me to take care of my space, take care of my mind, and honestly check in with my skin and prepare myself for a new week. Like, I did good today. I'm gonna let myself rest for the remainder of the day. It's about almost 6 o'clock and I'm ready to go to sleep. So I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.